Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to change the time format on TradingView. Whether you prefer following the markets in a 12-hour or 24-hour layout, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to find this setting and how to switch it in just a few clicks. This is especially handy if you're juggling different time zones or just want your charts to feel a bit more intuitive. Alright, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to TradingView on your device. If you have the TradingView app, go ahead and open it up, or if you're on your desktop, just pull up TradingView.com in your browser. This is your home base for all things charting, so getting familiar with the dashboard will always serve you well. Once you're on the TradingView homepage, look towards the top. You'll see a menu with a range of options. We're going to start by clicking on Products. You might not use this menu every day, but it's a great jumping-off point for navigating to more specific sections and settings within TradingView. Now from here, let's move our attention to the chart workspace itself. Take a look at the bottom right edge of your chart window. This is where you'll find a little gear icon. It's easy to miss if you're new to the platform, but think of it like your control center for customizing how your chart looks and operates. Go ahead and give that gear icon a click. After you click the gear, a menu will pop up. Look for the option that says More Settings. This is where TradingView keeps all the extra customization features, so if you ever feel like something looks off or you want more control, remember this spot. Inside the Settings dialog, you'll see a few different sections, but for today's task, we want to be on the page called Scales and Lines. Sometimes these menus can be packed with options, and it's easy to overlook what you need, so take your time and scroll down carefully. We're looking for the section that lets us set the time format, specifically the time hours format. When you spot time hours format, you'll notice you have two choices, 12-hour or 24-hour. This part is really about personal preference. For those who like AM and PM, stick with the 12-hour format. But if you're more comfortable with a military-style clock or you work with traders around the world and need to avoid any confusion, the 24-hour format can be a lifesaver. Go ahead and select whichever works best for you. Once you've made your choice, that's it. TradingView will immediately apply your new time format across all your charts. No need to save or restart, it's all set. If you don't see the change immediately, give it a second or two. Sometimes refreshing the chart can help things sync up. And there you go. Now your TradingView charts are displaying time in the way that feels most natural for you. It's a small change, but it makes reading and planning your trades so much easier. If this walkthrough helped you out, be sure to hit the like button, and if you have any questions or run into any issues, just drop a comment below. I'm always here to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials and TradingView tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.